Okay, today guys I'm going to show you how to replace a rear camera in an iPhone 4S. If you did want a professional to get the job booked in for you, or if you want to buy any of the parts or tools included in the video, just click the link in the description below. So to begin, if you remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the iPhone, once they're out, simply slide the back of the phone up and lift away. And if you switch to the star head screwdriver piece and remove the 4 screws in the ribbon cover. And start from the top, lift towards the base of the phone and lift away. And to unpick the camera you can either use a thumbnail or one of the tools in the kit just to lift it out. Then just grab the part, which if you're interested you can buy if you just click the link below. Start from the top, put it in like that, and just click the bottom on. You'll hear a little crack when it's sat right, and replace the screen cover ribbon like so. Keep some pressure on it, and then start with the top screw first. Once that's in, just follow with the next 3 screws. Once they're in, if you get the back and just line it up with the top of the phone, push down at the bottom and slide towards the base of the phone. You then need to switch back to the pentalobe screwdriver and replace the bottom 2 screws. And there you have it, rear camera placed on an iPhone 4S.